Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Party Breaker, and today I'm going to be showing you an easier way to orient your edges in a container cube. So if you have seen my video or any other person's video, so you might have felt that it's a little confusing to actually orient your edges. Okay, so yeah, I found an easier way to orient your edges. I hope you find it easy to do the I hope you find it easy. If you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel so that I can make more good videos for you people. So yeah, like first of all, you need to first know that the white one is going to be on the top. Okay, whenever you orient your edges, I always start with the white. So if you're going to start with the white, just like me, that is when you're going to be like keeping your red. That means the red piece is going to be in the front, the blue one is going to be on the right, the green one is going to be on the left. So better keep that in one thing in mind, and then now you will get into it. And now I've scrambled it. And before I start showing you how to do it in an easy way, I have a small request for you people. So like if you feel that my videos are not good enough, or they're not teaching, like you don't feel like my teaching is good, or you feel like something is off, or you feel like I'm missing something while I'm teaching, so yeah, that time you can just leave it on the comment section below, so that I will look into that and I will actually try to improve my videos. And I'll be reading all the comments, so I'll be like I'll try to improve myself, because I'm still not good in teaching. So yeah, so let's get started. So using the help of these type of centerpieces, we're going to be orienting. With that help, we're going to be doing it. Okay, so like I always start with the blue and red one every time. So yeah, when you just bring it down, okay, so like when you bring it down, you're like, okay, fine, then you keep it the white on the top, and then now you see the thing. Okay, that means now if the red, if in case it was like blue was faced, like if it is flipped also, don't not worry about that flipping. Okay, you should just know which two colors are going to have to come in these two places, so yeah, the red one should be facing you, the blue one should be on the right, and the green one should be on the left, and the white one should be on the top. So that means perfectly you know that the red piece is gonna come over here. So let me orient my piece properly. Okay, so now I oriented as the edge was shown. So let me orient my other edges. Okay, I am just going to solve it in front of you, so that it's like I'm just trying to prove it to you that yes, this actually works, because like some of you might feel that this won't work. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it here. You can just go a little forward to see my end result, so that you'll be able to know if it actually worked. See, and yeah, as you can see, I did not get the parity, so that means this actually works. Okay, I just wanted to show you that to give you a confirmation that yes, this actually works. So yeah, because I have put the correct red, blue and green piece, so I hope you were able to find it easier to orient your edges, which is actually the first thing, which is a little confusing to actually do so I hope you were able to learn an easier way. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please do comment on my video on how I can improve my videos, or you have any questions, you can leave it on the comment section below. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.